my hotel room by myself. My flight out of Houston tomorrow is at 6 a.m. So I thought it was just easier to get a hotel right by the airport. Spend the evening with me. I DoorDashed some pho and it's at the front desk. I have to go get it. Like, God forbid a girl trying to be safe. I'm going to take an everything shower before I eat because as a mother, very rarely do I get to do this. Because like by the time my husband comes home, like I'm tired at that point, you know?
Don't worry, sitting side by.
I don't care if this makes me gross. I don't pack any of like skincare or lotion because I know Holiday Inn Express is gonna have that Dove. What? Watch. Oh, put my face. Haul. I don't have a bowl.
Well, maybe mine. The thing.
Not sure I'm gonna assemble this pho. The noodles are in a clump. Incredible. Please don't spill.
Your asses. If you got time to talk, you got time to walk.